The ocean is key for us. Life would not exist without it. And yet, we are damaging it. Designing policies for ocean sustainability requires accurate observations and scientific information.
We cannot do the science that is needed and the observations that are needed to sustain the Atlantic ourselves. No one nation can do it.
Building on the success of the Belém Statement, various countries decided to connect their initiatives to support a massive transatlantic cooperation.
So in our dialogues with Brazil and South Africa, we saw an increasing desire for us to work together to mobilise the community in the South Atlantic and to build on what had happened in the North Atlantic.
The Belém Statement, together with the agreements with Cabo Verde and Argentina, constituted the next step in creating the All-Atlantic Ocean Research Alliance, a group of countries from pole to pole, all with a common goal: enhancing marine research and innovation cooperation for the benefit of citizens.
Our All-Atlantic Ocean Cooperation will ensure that research and innovation provide the solutions to the communities faced with a changing Atlantic Ocean, leading to a more sustainable future.
Co-responsibility, co-ownership and co-implementation will be the pillars for tackling key common areas of interest. Working together to share resources and to collect data will map unknown territories, align budgets and maximize the benefits for citizens.
These things in the oceans are very expensive, and the instruments that we use for research. So I think that together we can be able to share the costs.
But uniting countries is not enough. We are opening the initiative to society, including the public, to build the All-Atlantic Ocean Research community.
The policies will only make a difference if the population itself understands why are you doing it.
By collaborating with the youth to have ocean-engaged citizens from an early age, our alliance gives the next generation the tools to create a more sustainable Atlantic.
There's a very good African saying that says, if you want to go far, you go alone. If you want to go further, you go together.
So join us and help make our Atlantic a better, bluer place for all.